Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your AT&T iPhone 6. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so this one is for AT&T. Let's go ahead and verify that. So here in the settings, carrier, AT&T. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card so you see. So as you can see, it has the AT&T SIM card. Let's go ahead and remove that. I'm going to show you what happens when you try and place a different SIM card from another carrier. So we're going to get this T-Mobile SIM card. Place it in here. Okay, and we're going to place it in the phone. Alright, so when a phone is locked to a certain carrier, this is what's going to happen when you place in a different SIM card. It's going to go to a activation required screen. Go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, and let's try to activate the phone with the new SIM card. So this is the message that you're going to get. It's going to say SIM not supported, and that's because the phone is locked to AT&T. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so you can use it with any other SIM card that you wish to use it with. So let's go ahead and remove the T-Mobile SIM card really quickly. So what we're going to be using is this special unlock chip. Okay, we're going to have a link in the description down below where you can get this. We're going to be using this unlock chip to unlock the phone and use it with any company you want to use. So in this case, we're going to be using it with T-Mobile. So let's go ahead and place the T-Mobile SIM card back in now with the unlock chip. And then we're also going to have a code in the description which we're going to be using with the unlock chip. Okay, so once again, it's going to go here to the activation required screen. Okay, so if you hit try again, it's going to say SIM not supported once again. So here what we're going to do is we're going to hit the home button. We're going to hit emergency call. And here we're going to type in star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound, and then hit the dial button. So this right here is going to show up. You're going to scroll down to edit ICCID. Okay, and then here we're going to type in 8901 4103 2795 2915 5450, and then hit send. Okay, so it's going to say setup okay. Here hit accept, and then now we're going to have to restart the phone. So power the phone off. And the good thing here is that you only have to use that code one time. And then as long as you leave your SIM card with the unlock chip in there, the phone will stay unlocked. So once you're ready, power the phone back on. There we go. So it's going to say activation required once again. We're going to swipe and connect to Wi-Fi once again, but it should already be connected. So go ahead and hit next. And there we go. It picked up the signal. It says T-Mobile. Looks like we have to do this. I'm going to set up Touch ID later. Don't add passcode. Continue. Get started. The iPhone is unlocked. You can use it normally now. It's reading the T-Mobile SIM card. It's picking up service. And now you can disconnect from Wi-Fi if you want. And it's gonna still have signal. Let's go ahead and check the data so you see that even the data works. Let's go to Google. There you go. So the phone is unlocked. Let's try and make a test phone call.
Welcome to Comcast, home of expect.
So as you can see, you're able to make phone calls and use data right away as long as the SIM card that you put in is activated. All right, everyone. So I hope this video helps you out on unlocking your AT&T iPhone 6. Remember, there's going to be a link in the description where you can get the unlock chip and also for the latest code for the unlock chip. All right, guys, I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.